Solve the following example. The demand D for a price P is given as D is equals to 27 by P. Find the rate of change in demand when price is 3. Demand 9.2, question number 2. First, demand is given as 27 by P. They have asked you to find the rate of change in demand when price is 3. If we want the rate of change, we actually want derivative of demand. So derivative of demand. आता जेव्हा आपण demand चा derivative काढतो, demand is a function of price. Price is independent variable. So the derivative will be with respect to price. म्हणजे P हा इकडे independent variable आहे. आता याचा derivative कसा काढणार आहे? DDP of 27 by P. 27 is constant. DDP of 1 by P. 1 by P is P raised to minus 1. That is 27 minus 1 P raised to minus 2. Minus 27 upon P square. This is the derivative of demand. But we want change in demand when price is 3. So demand when price is 3. So I will put P is equals to 3. Minus 27 upon 3 square. Minus 27 upon 9. Your answer is minus 3. This is the rate of change in demand due to change in price. Next sum. If for a commodity, the price demand relation is D is equals to P plus pi upon P minus 1. Find the marginal demand when price is 2. What do we mean by marginal demand? D is P plus 5 upon P minus 1. Marginal demand is first order derivative of demand. So that is, हे तर quotient rule प्रमाणे P minus 1. First order derivative of demand will be P minus 1. DDP of P plus 5 minus P plus pi DDP of P minus 1 whole thing upon P minus 1 bracket square. P minus 1, DDP of P is 1, DDP of 5 is 0, so this is 1. Minus P plus 1, also this is 1. Whole thing upon P minus 1 bracket square. So P minus 1 minus P plus 1 upon P minus 1 bracket square. This is P minus 1 minus P minus 1. PP will get cancelled. P minus 1 bracket square. So marginal demand function is given as minus 2 upon P minus 1 bracket square. But we want marginal demand at P is equals to 2, right? So it will be minus 2. 2 minus 1 square. Minus 2. 2 minus 1 म्हणजे काय? 1 square. What is your answer? Minus 2. This is your marginal demand at price is equals to 2. Sorry, by mistake this 5 was taken as 1. So our answer is changing. We'll just write down this as P minus 1 minus P plus 5 upon P minus 1 bracket square. This is P minus 1 minus P minus 5 upon P minus 1 bracket square. PP will get cancelled. You will get DDP of D is minus 6 upon P minus 1 bracket square. At P is equals to 2. DDP of D is minus 6 upon 2 minus 1 bracket square. That is minus 6 upon 1 square. Answer is minus 6. ये 5 है, वो 1 लिखा, उसकी वजह से वो रॉन्ग हो गया. तुम्ही झोपू नका बस. Question 3. The demand function of a commodity is given as P is equals to 20 plus D minus D square. Find the rate at which price is changing when demand is 3. Now here, we are not talking about demand when price is something. We are talking about what is the rate of change in price when demand is 3. How to do this now? See here, demand function is given as P is equals to 20 plus D minus D square. We want to find rate of change in price when demand is 3. So we actually want to find out dP by dd. So we will derivate this. d of 20 plus dd of d minus d of d square. This is 0 plus 1 minus 2d. So dP upon dd is 1 minus 2d. We want rate of change in demand, in price when demand is 3. If D is 3, I'll put D3 here. So I will get dP upon dd is 1 minus 2 into 3. 1 minus 6, your answer is minus pi. So what is the rate of change in price? The rate of change in price is minus pi when demand changes by 3. Next question. It's all about derivative, but shabda badal le le. If the total cost function is given as C is equals to 5x cube plus 2x square plus 7, find the average cost and marginal cost when x is equals to 4. What is the total cost? Five x cube plus 2x square plus 7. This is total cost. Average cost is total cost upon x. So average cost is 5x cube plus 2x square plus 7 upon x. That is 5x square plus 2x plus 7 by x. You want average cost at x is equals to 4. So 5 into 4 square plus 2 into 4 plus 7 by 4. 16 5s are 80 plus 8 plus 7 by 4. 88 plus 7 by 4. So average cost at x is equals to 4 is 88 plus 7 by 4. 88 into 4, this is 2, 3, 32, 35 plus 7 upon 4. That is 359 by 4 is the average cost. Now we want to find out marginal cost. Marginal cost is first order derivative of the total cost function. So dx of C is equals to ddx of 5x cube plus ddx of 2x square plus ddx of 7. This is 15x square plus 4x plus 0. This is marginal cost. At x is equals to 4 अगर हम लोगों ने लिया तो 15 into 4 square plus 4 into 4 15 into 4 square म्हणजे काय? 240 plus 16. Your answer is 256. Yes. So marginal cost is 256 and average cost is 359 by 4. Let us take the next sum. You can write all together then. Total cost function of producing n notebooks is given as C is equals to 1500x. Sorry, 1500 minus 75n plus 2n square plus n cube by 5. Find the marginal cost at n is equals to 10. So total cost is 1500 minus 75n plus 2n square plus n cube by 5. I want marginal cost or total cost? Marginal cost. Marginal cost is ddn of C. That will be 1500 चा derivative काय येणार? 0 minus 75n चा 75. 2n square चा plus 4n. n cube चा plus 3n square by 5. Yes. Now at n is equals to what? N is equals to 10. Find out marginal cost. Minus 75 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 10 square म्हणजे काय? 100 upon 5. Minus 75 plus 40 plus 60, right? 100 minus 75, 25. This is your marginal cost. Getting this? The total cost of T toy cars is given by C is equals to 5, 2 raised to T plus 17. Find the marginal cost and average cost at T is equals to 3. C is 5, 2T plus 17. Find the marginal cost. Marginal cost कशी येते? Marginal cost is first order derivative of this. d dt of 5 2 raised to T plus 17. आता आपण इकडे T का घेतला? कारण त्यांनी T products म्हटलंय. म्हणजे मग T is an independent event. So it is 5 d dt of 2T plus 17. 5 2T काय? 2T log 2 plus 17. Now what do they want? T is equals to 3. So marginal cost at T is equals to 3 is 5 2 raised to 3 into log 2 plus 17. 5 into 8, 40 log 2 plus 17. This is your answer. This was marginal cost. What about average cost? Average cost is total cost divided by T. 5 2 raised to T upon T.
मॅम आपण 17 चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह का नाही घेतला?
सॉरी 17 चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलाय मी, चुकून तिकडे लिहिला नाही, तो 0 आहे. That is 0. Now average cost. Total cost divided by T. This is average cost. Now average cost at T is equals to 3. So 5, 2 raised to 3 upon 3 plus 17 upon 3. So it is 40 by 3 plus 17 by 3. It is 57 by 3. 57 by 3 का है? 19. So average cost is 19. Marginal cost is 40 log 2. हे 17 चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतला होता, चुकून मी लिहिताना तसाच लिहिलेला होता, म्हणून तो 0 आहे. प्लस 0 आपण तसंच लिहितो बरं का. If for a commodity demand function is given by D is equals to 75 minus 3p, find the marginal demand function when p is 5. So what is the demand function? D is equals to 75 minus 3p. So marginal demand function is DDP of 75. And marginal demand means first order derivative of demand into DDP of 3p. This is 0 minus 3 DDP of p. So this is minus 3. What do they want? When p is 5, marginal demand is minus 3. For p is equals to 5, marginal demand is minus 3. Done? Next sum, question number 8. सब सम सेम है, एक जैसे ये मतलब. Actually, the total cost of producing X unit is given as C is equals to 20 e raised to X. Find marginal cost and average cost when X is equals to 4. What is the total cost function? 20 e raised to X. Marginal cost is d dx of 20 e raised to X. 20 d dx of e raised to X is same. At X is equals to 4. Marginal cost will be 20 e raised to 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 आपल्याला काय दिला त्यांनी? अंडर रूट आहे का? नाही, माझ्या टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये अंडर रूट नाही दिलेलं आहे त्यांनी. 75 मायनस 3p तुमच्या टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये अंडर रूट आहे का? मग तो अंडर रूट नी सॉल्व्ह केला तर वेगळं येईल त्याचा आन्सर. You cut that under root from there. Don't write that under root. Because under root 75 minus 3p is a composite function. आणि composite function चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपल्याला अजून नाहीये, 12वीला आहे आपल्याला. त्याच्यामुळे तुम्ही तो अंडर रूट काढून टाका. आपल्याला कॉम्पोजिट आत्ता नाहीये. So question number 8. त्यांनी x is equals to 2 म्हटलंय का 4 म्हटलंय? मार्जिनल कॉस्ट ऍट x is equals to 2 आहे. अच्छा, माझ्या बुक मध्ये 4 आहे, ती माझी जुनी आहे. टोटल कॉस्ट e raised to 2x दिलाय का? Wait, this book is having a lot of but because we don't have composite functions, we will not take this 10 e raised to 4x, we'll take it as it is 20 e raised to x. हमको 11th में composite नहीं है, 12th से हमको composite functions है. Okay, so marginal demand we have calculated as 20 e raised to 4. Average cost is nothing but total cost upon x, that is 20 upon e raised to x upon x. At x is equals to 4, average cost is 20 e raised to 4 upon 4, that is 5 e raised to 4. Question number 8 is done. Now question number 9. The demand function is given as P is equals to 175 plus 9D plus 25D square. Find revenue, average revenue, and marginal revenue when demand is 10. We have to find a revenue, average revenue, marginal revenue when demand is 10. Price function is given as P is equals to 175 plus 9D plus 25D square. What is total revenue? Total revenue is price into quantity demanded. That is 175 plus 9D plus 25D square into D. So it's 175D plus 9D square plus 25D cube. Now they want average revenue. Average जब भी हम लोग बोलते हैं तो it is to be divided by the demand. So you will divide this by demand. That is average revenue. Average revenue is also equal to the price. So that will be 175 plus 9D plus 25D square. This is your average revenue. We want average revenue at D is equals to 10. So यहाँ पे average revenue क्या आ गया? 175 plus 9 into 10, that is 90, plus 25 into 10 square, that is 2500. So it is 2500 plus 90 plus 175. It is 2765. Average revenue for demand 10 is 2765. Now we have to find marginal revenue. Marginal revenue is first order derivative of the revenue function. Total revenue is this 175D plus 9D square plus 25D cube. So DD of 175D plus 9D square plus 25D cube is 175 plus 18D plus 75D square. At D is equals to 10. Marginal revenue will be 175 plus 18 into 10 plus 7500. So that will be 7500 plus 180 plus 175, that is 7855. This is the marginal revenue. Now what is the question? Find revenue. Revenue means what? Total revenue. Marginal revenue and average revenue when demand is 10. Now we have got marginal revenue, we have got average revenue. पण total revenue काढलाच नाही आपण. Total revenue function काय आहे? 175D plus 9D square plus 25D cube. So at D is equals to 10. We will put D is equals to 10 here. 175 10 plus 9 into 10 square plus 25 into 10 cube, that is 1000. 1750 plus 900 plus 25,000. Add them. Is it 27,650? This is total revenue at demand at X is D is equals to 10. Ten sum you can do. Marginal supply nikalna hai. Find out the derivative of supply and then put P is equals to 7. You will get your answer. The cost of producing X articles is given by C X square plus 15X plus 81. The average cost and marginal cost, find average and marginal cost function. Find marginal cost when X is 10. Find X for which marginal cost equals average cost. Yeah, ये थोड़ा सा अलग है. तो हम लोग ये 11th वाला करेंगे. Cost function is X square plus 15X plus 81. Find the average cost and marginal cost function. What is the average cost function? Total cost upon X. X square plus 15X plus 81 upon X. That is X plus 15 plus 81 by X. Marginal cost is first order derivative of cost function. That is 2X plus 15 plus 0. Now what do we want? Want to find average and marginal cost. We want to find marginal cost when X is 10. Marginal cost when X is equals to 10 is 2 into 10 plus 15. 20 plus 15. Your answer is 35. And now the last question in that. For which find X for which value marginal cost equals average cost. Marginal cost should equal average cost. Marginal cost is 2X plus 15. Should equal average cost. Average cost is X plus 15 plus 21 by X. 81 by X, sorry. Okay. 15, 15 cancel. 2X minus X is 81 by X. This is X is equals to 81 by X. X square is 81. X is plus or minus 9. But X cannot be minus 9 because X is number of output. So X is 9. So what is the value of X when marginal cost is equal to average cost? 9. And with this, we have finished the portion. Congratulations to all of you for making a record. 18 chapters in 4 months.